Hey there and welcome to Katie Speaks Out Loud. Today we are diving into a brand that needs no introduction, Nike. Now you must be thinking, I know everything there is to know about this athletic giant, but trust me, there are some strategies behind its success that you might not have heard of. Take a look at this. One of Nike's earliest print ads from 1977. Now I know what you're thinking. Old school ads? Seriously? But bear with me, there's something in here that's pure marketing genius. Now, fast forward to 1988.
I run 17 miles every morning. People ask me how I keep my teeth from chattering in the wintertime. I leave them in my locker.
This ad features Walt Stack, an 80-year-old man jogging across Golden Gate Bridge. He's casually chatting about his 17-mile run daily, even joking about leaving his teeth back in the locker room to prevent them from chattering in the cold. But where's the hard sell? Where is the pitch? So what you didn't notice? Neither of these ads were shouting Nike at all. In fact, in the print ads, the word Nike doesn't even appear until the 109th word. And in the TV ad, the word doesn't come up until the very end. Nike wasn't selling shoes, they were selling a feeling. So the question is, why is Nike playing so hard to get? Well, it's all a part of a genius strategy called benefits-based marketing. Instead of telling you what the product is, they're telling you why you should care. So now let's take a quick history lesson. Nike was born out of partnership between Phil Knight and his running coach Bill Barman. So he wanted to make running a popular activity for everyone. And Nike's products, they were just the tools to help you achieve that. This philosophy of focusing on the benefits of the product than the features itself became the backbone of the genius marketing strategy of Nike. So here's the thing, Nike doesn't sell you shoes. They sell you the idea that you can be better, stronger, and faster. For example, why would you buy a toothbrush? If the answer is it helps me to brush my teeth, then you are stating the utility of the toothbrush. Instead, the main problem or the job that you are trying to get done is keeping your teeth and gums healthy. So similarly, they're not showing you a product. They're showing you what you can achieve with that. Remember the Find Your Greatness campaign? It wasn't about elite athletes. It was about everyday people like you and me, pushing our limits and finding our greatness. Nike's message? You can do it too. And oh, by the way, we've got the shoes to help you get there. The genius of Nike is that they tap into the universal struggles. Take the You Can't Stop Us campaign, a mind-blowing mix of action shots that show people overcoming all kinds of obstacles. Whether you're an athlete or just trying to get through the day, Nike's message hits home. You can overcome anything. And with Nike, you're not just wearing shoes, you're gearing up for victory. Now let's get real with some jaw-dropping numbers. Nike sells 25 pairs of shoes every second. Every single second, it's crazy. And last year, that is 2023, they made a crazy $51.2 billion. And how? By tapping into the universal human desire to be better, to win, and to overcome problems. So next time you see a Nike ad, remember, it's not just about the shoes. It's about the victory dance you do when you finally beat your personal best, whether that's on the track or just in life. Nike is not selling you a product. They're selling you a mindset. Now let's talk about the 3 key learnings to wrap up this video. Number 1, less is more. Nike teaches us that sometimes the best way to grab attention is to hold back. Instead of screaming their name, they whisper, creating a sense of mystery and allure. By focusing on the story and the emotion, Nike makes you feel something, long before you even realize it's about the shoes. Second, it's about the why, not the what. Nike doesn't just sell shoes, they sell a reason to lace them up. They've mastered the art of benefits-based marketing, where the message isn't about what the product is, but why it matters to you. Nike turns a simple pair of sneakers into a symbol of your personal victory, making you the hero of your own story. And finally, the struggle is real and relatable. Nike knows that life's a marathon, not a sprint. By tapping into those universal moments of struggle, whether it's pushing through the last mile or just getting out of bed, they make their brand relatable to everyone. Nike's message: we're all in this together, and with the right mindset and gear, there's nothing we can't overcome. And if this peek into Nike's world has you intrigued, I have a recommendation for you. I'm currently reading this book Shoe Dog by Phil Knight, the co-founder of Nike. It's an eye-opening journey about the highs and lows of a brand that's become a global icon. So if you want to dig deeper into what makes Nike tick, then this book is a must read for you. Until then, keep laughing, keep learning, and remember,